Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef udon. First, gather all your fresh ingredients to ensure the best authentic flavor. Next, we will prepare the savory dashi broth, which forms the heart of this delicious dish. Then, we will cook the tender beef and udon noodles to perfection. Finally, we will assemble and garnish your bowl for a truly satisfying meal. Let's get started. To craft the essential dashi broth, begin by combining about 4 cups of water with a 4-inch piece of kombu and a half cup of katsuobushi. Gently simmer this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes, being careful not to boil vigorously. Afterward, strain out all the solids to achieve a beautifully clear, flavorful broth. Finally, season your dashi with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mirin for a balanced taste. Now, let's cook the main components. Thinly slice about 8 ounces of your preferred beef, such as sirloin or ribeye, against the grain. In a hot pan, quickly sear the beef for just 1 to 2 minutes until lightly browned. Meanwhile, boil your udon noodles according to package directions, typically for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain them well and rinse briefly with cold water to prevent sticking and stop the cooking process. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious beef udon bowl. First, place the perfectly cooked udon noodles into a large, deep bowl. Next, artfully arrange the tender, seared beef slices on top of the noodles. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic dashi broth over everything, ensuring it warms all the ingredients. For a finishing touch, garnish generously with freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi for a delightful kick. Enjoy your homemade udon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.